Namaste. Today's video is about the guidelines of board examination 2022-23. This among the guidelines I have taken into account which are the permitted items into the examination center or examination hall. First of all, we can see that that is admit card and school identity card. Admit card is issued by CBSE according to the information filled by school in connection to the student and the parents. The parents and the students will give the information, sufficient information, and according to that the admit card is issued by the CBSE. And I hope all children are having the admit card, and it is good that you should take photocopy of that also, and the school also should take photocopy of that admit card. Then another one is school identity card. Why the school identity card? The student is writing examination in another school, so that we call it as examination center. So for the identity of that person, that student, the school identity card is also very essential. For private students, government photo identity proof is essential. So government photo identity proof is essential for only the private students. Here I am showing you my ID proof of All India Educators Forum, and I became the resource person of AIF, and in 2009 in CBSE's resource person also I became. Then regarding the stationery item, what are the transparent pouch we should have? Yes, transparent pouch. Yes, transparent pouch. Then geometry or pencil box. Geometry or pencil box. I don't have the geometry box, that is I just showed like this. That. Then blue, royal blue, ink, ballpoint pen or gel pen. Yes. So blue pen, really black pen is not allowed. Then scale, then writing pad and eraser, then analog watch, then transparent water bottle, yes, transparent water bottle. I am showing all this. The thing is that vision will enable you to remember what all things you should have or how it should be there. Isn't it? Like that. Then, yes, then water bottle and hand sanitizer. And which are the barred items? Any stationery items such as textual material, printed or written, bits of papers, calculator. Then some of the students having the learning disability, they have allowed to use calculator as per circular number that is dated January 20th. Then pen drives, calculator, log tables, then electronic pen or scanner, etc. They are not allowed to take into that center. Maybe shall be provided by the center. That also written there. Then, so all these are barred items. The next one is that mobile phones, Bluetooth, earphones, microphone, pager, health band, cameras not allowed. Other items like wallet, goggles, handbags, pouches, etc. are also not allowed. Eatable items opened or packed except for diabetic students are not allowed. Any other item which could be used for unfair means are not allowed. That come under the category of UFM, unfair means category, and will attract the punishment as per rules. Then for the regular students, school uniform, and for private students, light clothes. It is written there. Then after reaching the school, or what time we should reach the school, that also I am telling you in this video. That is, this is for students, this activities in examination going to be supervised by assistant superintendent. So what the student should do, what the assistant superintendent should do, and the center superintendent should do. All these are covering here to some extent. Yes, first one, entry inside the examination center by the students 9 to 10 a.m. Then start of entry by students in examination rooms 9:45 a.m. to 10 a.m. That is, before the commencement of 45 minutes, It is 10:30 the exam starts. So before the commencement of examination, 45 minutes before, they should be allowed to enter into the examination room. Then last entry in the examination center is 10 a.m. After 10 a.m. nobody should be allowed to enter into the examination center, means examination center as well as examination room. Then checking of admit cards by assistant superintendent. The admit card should be properly checked by the assistant superintendent, that means the invigilator, from 10 a.m. to 10:15 a.m. Then announcement to ensure that students have occupied correct seat only, they have written roll number as per instructions, they have written correct question paper, set number, they are not in possession of any barred item, other important instructions. So 10 a.m. to 10:50. But here one thing, the set number can be written only at 10:15 when they get the question paper. When they get the question paper only, the set number will be written. Then opening of packets of question paper in examination room at 10:10. Then distribution of the question papers to the students at 10:15 a.m. Then collection of question papers of absentee students in the examination room by the assistant superintendent at 10:30. Then exam starts at 10:30. So 10:15 to 10:30, that is a cool time. Then return of unused question papers along with the envelopes by the assistant superintendent to center superintendent at 10:30 a.m. Then sealing of unused question papers packets received from examination duty by the center superintendent by 10:45. So the absentees paper, that is in the correct seats, that paper should be kept or allotted the next number, like that. According to the set will be given according to the roll numbers. In that order only the question paper should be distributed. In between somebody is absent, that should be kept aside. Then closing of examination room doors 10 minutes before the examination is over. Then exam concludes as per the allotted in the question paper, and extra time permitted for CWS and children with special needs may be given more time. So from 10:30 to 1:30, usually 10:30 to 1:30, the examination. So the students should be so keen to see that they have properly revised the portion, they have taken and kept all the relevant materials they needed for the examination, and they should also see that they have properly taken food and they slept properly the previous day, because the last days no need to become panic. You should have gone through a systematic process of revision, nothing to worry. Properly you revise, properly you recall, and read the question. When you are getting the 10 minutes, 15 minutes cool time, properly you read the question, and keep in mind that what all things I have to write there. That way, especially marks you should focus on. Marks are very important. According to the marks only you have to write the answers. So that should be kept in mind while you are writing the examination. So all the best, children. I am wishing you all the best to the parents, teachers, and students. Thank you.